Hundreds of people die from accidental carbon monoxide poisoning every year. Carbon monoxide poisoning can often be confused with flu symptoms, food poisoning, and other illnesses. Thousands of home fires every year start with the ignition of natural gas. This can easily be prevented with USI Electric's carbon monoxide and natural gas alarm.
Hi, my name is Ron Lazarus. I'm president of USI Electric, and since 1969 our company has been developing and manufacturing smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Most products on the market today only protect against carbon monoxide. Our new technology in a plug-in alarm protects against both carbon monoxide and natural gas. And this new alarm is about the third the size of products that are already on the market, similar to this one here. This unit also comes with a battery backup, so there is always constant protection even if in the event of a power outage. And again, this protects against both carbon monoxide and natural gas, providing a better value. Please help us get this important life safety product into the hands and homes of everyone in America. Please vote for us and help Walmart and USI save many more lives.